Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing video of 4G LTE USB Wi-Fi modem. So today we'll take a look at this compact USB modem. This USB modem has an inbuilt Wi-Fi and can be connected up to 10 devices at a time. It has Wi-Fi abilities that can support speeds up to 100 Mbps downlink and 50 Mbps uplink. This device can be used to connect both laptop and desktop to access internet. It can be used as an alternative to fixed line broadband connection. A major advantage of this device is that being a compact and portable device, it can be carried along with you anywhere without the hassle of wires. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. This is a 3G 4G modem with Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, and these are the specs. You can see the speed, the frequency, and it supports Windows 2000 XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Mac, as well as Android, and it weighs only 30 grams. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, here you go. LTE 4G Wi-Fi modem. You can see the speed, 100 Mbps downlink and 50 Mbps uplink, and this is the IP address, and this is the password. So let's see behind. This is the back cap. This is where the SIM goes. And here goes SD card or the memory card. Just slide it. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there's a user manual, installation guide, direction for use, Wi-Fi instructions, how to change Wi-Fi name, and some frequently asked questions. Okay, let's put this aside. People who are looking for fixed line broadband alternatives can go for this device and choose long-term plans which are available from various operators. Choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Please give thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button for quick video updates.